What's up, you guys? So I'm gonna be filming a quick lazy hairstyle video for, I guess, like throughout the school week or whatever. I'm using a leave-in conditioner and like a styling cream just to make my hair a little bit more manageable. I did that off camera. This is for like the days when your hair is kind of not looking too hot, but you still want it to look at least presentable in public. So there's that. This first hairstyle, it's like a side half up, half down. I was playing around with my hair tie one day. This was a couple weeks ago, and I ended up with this. I ended up liking it, so I tweaked it. And then for this video, I have like 2 strands of hair on the right side of my face just because I added some jewels just to make it hang a little bit lower. And I don't know, the other thing you can do with this hairstyle is where the 2 curls are with the jewels, you can actually turn that into a braid. I meant to do that for this video, but I forgot. You can turn it into a braid and then just pull it up into your hair tie, and so it would be a braid there, not just 2 random strands of hair that aren't in uniform. But you guys know what I was going for. I don't know, I really like this hairstyle. So yeah, hairstyle number 1. Hairstyle number 2, I promised myself I was not going to put this into the video, but I just couldn't help myself because this is a lazy hairstyles video. So, and this is my number 1 go-to lazy hairstyle, the pineapple. There are 2 ways you can wear this. I typically wear mine like this. I don't really know how to describe it. It's just a pineapple. I guess it's kind of where my hair is pulled a little bit further back, so it's not so much in my face. But there's another way you can wear it also. You can adjust your hair tie and then pull it forward so that your hair hangs, I guess, more so in your face and it covers your forehead. Me personally, I don't really like wearing my pineapple like that just because I don't know. It gets in my eyes sometimes, so yeah. 2 ways you can wear it. I typically wear it the first way I showed you. Hairstyle number 3 is, what is this? Oh, this is going to be a half-assed, half up, half down. Just to switch up my hairstyle sometimes, I'll do this. I only started doing this during the summer when my hair kind of got a little bit longer. I feel like this will look much better when your hair is longer anyway. But yeah, this is a half up, half down, and you can actually tweak it, put a bun at the top. I didn't do it for this video, but you can even make that top section a bun. This next one is a, I don't know, like a puff. I guess it's a puff where the puff is towards the back of your hair and then you have just one little curl towards the front. I really like this one too. This is also one of my go-to styles. You see this wear me a lot on Instagram. So yeah, I really like this. It has a very edgy look. Last one, you're going to use a shoelace. If you're an OG subscriber, you know the shoelace means I'm going to be doing a bun or my puff lookalike of a bun. So you're going to try to do a samurai top knot. I made a whole video on this. I don't know what else to call it, so I just named it myself. But you're going to do a little top knot. Make sure yours is nice and secure. You can actually slick down the perimeter of your hair for this hairstyle, but I chose not to. And then you're just going to take some hair jewels and then kind of dress it up a little bit. Then same thing, you can take those 2 strands of hair in the front, make it a braid, pull it to the back just to give it a little pizzazz, I guess. And yeah, those are all my hairstyles. This is just something that I just came up with. These are hairstyles that I would wear on like lazy hair days. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed, then give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. You guys know the deal. I will see y'all on my next video. Thank you for watching.